short, if your passion is strength, if you want to be Bahubali, if you want to reach a level far beyond average, this is the channel for you. What's up YouTube? Hello friends, welcome back to the most powerful alpha channel making, not only in YouTube, it is free alpha moments. Guys, before I start this video, just want to make things clear and out of the way. Guys, this is not a plain simple bodybuilding, old school bodybuilding channel. Guys, this is India's only YouTube fitness channel that is dedicated purely to strength and power. It's a strength channel. Our main objective is strength. With that being said, just want to make a quick public service announcement. Bash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay notified for my upcoming videos. So guys, without any further ado, let's begin this video of how to start strength training the alpha way for beginners. Guys, you may do all your research, but wait, before talking about how to, let's talk about why strength. Guys, strength has helped me to improve my confidence, my character, and it's still helping me. And strength is unbiased. Strength has no discrimination. So a fucking kid can do it. An adult woman can do it.
Come on, tight. Up.
Anyone can do it who has the indomitable will and guts to strive for strength. Strength is their game. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Guys, as I was saying, you may do your research, and I'm pretty confident that you will end up on the same conclusion that I'm about to say, and that's if you want to talk about strength in the simplest terms as possible, this is the strength pyramid, or the triangle of strength, or strength pyramid. Guys, if you see it properly, it has three layers: the foundation layer, the specialization layer, and the prime movement layer. Guys, before talking about the before talking about the foundation, let me give you an example. Guys, you know that while making a building, a tall building or a structure, its base has to be super strong to support that structure, right? Strength is the same thing. To have the strength of a superhuman, to be able to lift this 200 kilos, even fucking more than that, you have to have a strong foundation to support that weight. And that's why I like to call this layer fucking do everything layer. We'll be doing rehabilitation exercises, functional training, condition exercises, everything that you think it's right, we'll be doing it. Do it. Second layer, the specialization layer. Here we'll be taking things up a notch. In this layer, we'll be doing special accessory movements and other movements, special movements that will help us or aid us in our strength gains. And the last layer is the prime movement. This layer is only done just before the competition. Like any power lifter or weightlifter, it's for a power lifter, its prime movements is bench press, deadlift, and squat, and for weightlifters is snatch, clean, and jerk. So in the last phase of the strength pyramid, we'll be doing only the movements, but it doesn't matter if our foundation is weak, so we have to build a foundation. So that, with that being said, guys, stay tuned. I'm starting a new series where I'll be going through detox phase, I'll be doing some rehabilitation exercises, And you know that you know me, we all are same. This and this were all common things. So we have to sacrifice those bad habits, build some new habits, make our life more disciplined. And yes, because that's the prerequisites of strength, right? You have to have indomitable will, passion, guts, and your life has to be disciplined one. So guys, in short, if your passion is strength, if you want to be Bahubali, if you want to reach a level far beyond average, this is the channel for you. Stay tuned, stay strong, stay healthy. Strength is never a weakness. Alpha out.